Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Mailinda Fajarutami. I am student English Education 5th semester at IAIN Surakarta. In this video, I will present to you about my correlation research. Okay, let's go to my research. Okay, first I will explain to you about my topic. My topic is the correlation between the habit of watching Western movie and listening ability of 10th graders of Ulil Albab Islamic Senior High School. And then the previous studies. There is two previous studies in my research. First, the correlation between the frequency of English-speaking movie watching and listening comprehension of AFL learners. And the second, the correlation between students' frequency of watching English movies and their listening comprehension. Okay, next I will explain to you about the gaps between the previous studies and my studies. From the previous studies 1, the frequency of watching English language film at 4 semester in English study program is weak correlation. In the previous studies 2, there is significant correlation between the frequency of English-speaking movie watching and listening comprehension of AFL learners. In my studies, there is correlation between the habit of watching Western movies and the listening ability of 10th graders of Ulil Albab Islamic Senior High School. Okay, next is the research problem. Based on the background of the study as just mentioned previously, the study tried to answer the problem as follows. Is there significant correlation between the habit of watching Western movies and listening ability of 10th graders of Ulil Albab Senior High School? Next is the hypothesis. There is two hypotheses. First is alternative hypothesis and the second is null hypothesis. For the alternative hypothesis, there is significant correlation between the habit of watching Western movie and listening ability of 10th grades of Ulil Albab Islamic Senior High School. And the null hypothesis is there is no significant correlation between the habit of watching Western movies and listening ability of 10th graders of Ulil Albab Islamic Senior High School. Okay, then I will explain to you about direction correlation. There is two variables. Variable X is the habit of watching Western movies and variable Y is the listening ability. From the table and the graphs that I created shows that the line is going up. It means there was positive and significant correlation both variables. Positive correlation meant that if X variable is increased, then Y variable will increase, and the significant correlation means that the correlation can be generalized to the population. And the next correlation is negative correlation. From the table and graphs that I created shows that the line is going down. It means, based on the data analyzed, it can be concluded that there is a low correlation between the frequency in watching English movies and their listening comprehension. Okay everyone, I think enough. Thanks for your watching. I'm sorry for my mistake and see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.